Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss is if you purchase a property, for example in Liverpool, can you rent out the rooms 400 plus per room? But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, let me tell you a bit more about my properties and what I'm actually currently earning per property. So first off, the answer that you must be thinking, can you not? The answer is yes, you can. Yes, you can. So for example, for my properties in Liverpool, as you know, my houses are brand new, but it doesn't matter because if you can modernize your house to make it look modernized, then you could be earning similar rent. So with my properties, the lowest I'm earning is 400. The highest I'm earning with the ensuite is 600 a month. Bear in mind, I've got two properties and they're 4 beds. So essentially, I'm earning from 8 streams of people, which is incredible. So guys, I feel like on social media, people have this mindset where they think Liverpool is just a cheap place. Yes, it's cheaper than London, 100%. But the thing is, if you know the value of your house, you know what you can get from it. Don't listen to people who say the opposite, because there's so many people on social media that will think, no, you can't do that. £600, you can get a whole 1 bed, 2 bed, or whatever. But the thing is, I've done it, and if I can do it, why can't you? And the reason why I've done it is because I know the worth of my property. So why should I then, just say, do you know what? Let me just go with, the normal rent of what people are saying. For example, when I spoke to estate agents when I first got my property, I just wanted to test out the market, and I just wanted to see from their point of view, how much do you think I can get per room in my properties? People were saying to me 375 to 300. Then the highest was like 390 or something like that, and I thought, what? Do you think I invested all this to get that? No. And so the amazing thing that I did personally myself is I believed in me. I believe what the properties are worth, and I went for my numbers. And the thing is, people think I was deluded, thinking, those numbers, like, you're no way gonna get that. Within a month, 2 houses within a month was taken with my figures that I wanted. And what I'm trying to show you is, don't listen to people who are estate agents, because with estate agents, with a lot of them, they just want it off the market. So of course they'll be quoting these low numbers, because of course everyone will say yes if it's a brand new house, or even if it's a modernized house, and you're saying it's only 375. Really? You could get ugly houses for 375. So why would I do that to my beautiful brand new homes? And these are the type of questions that you need to ask yourself, because once again, you need to not always listen to these estate agents, because all they want is a commission and to get your property off the market. But I knew what my worth of my properties were, which is why I went for my numbers, and I done it, and I had no obstacles with that. Because people saw my property, they saw how beautiful it was, they saw everything that I've done, and they said, yeah, I'm happy to pay that. Because understand, people want to live in a comfortable environment. As you know, yes, Liverpool is known for a cheap place, that's fine. For the houses as well, super cheaper than London. But at the same time, you can get your money out of it as well. And that's the type of mindset that people need to change and understand that. If you know your property is worth more, go with your numbers. If you even look on the spare room, I knew who I was trying to target, right? So if you look on the spare room and you look for people who are looking for properties, you're seeing quotes around 600, 500, 400. So why should I listen to the 375 that they said? And once again, this is super important. Take that in. And by the way, I'm not bluffing, right? You can literally go onto Go into spare room, search Liverpool city centre, for example, and look at the demand there, and look at everyone who is looking. Of course, some people will be saying the low prices, but I knew who I wanted to target, right? And I saw a lot of people looking with my figures. And once again, it's about who are you trying to attract as well. And I knew exactly who I was trying to attract, which is why I had my figures. I see my houses as my brand, and even me, by the grace of building more of my property portfolio, I see it as my brand. And with my brand, I only want certain houses that is earning a good cash flow, that it's worth it as well, compared to a property that is just, you know, ugly and, you know, I'm getting 3, 4, 5 or something like that, you know. And so what I'm just trying to say is, guys, believe in yourself and make sure, if people are saying no, it's not going to make that, it is going to make that. Do you believe it's going to make that? Do you know your worth of your properties? Yes or no? If you don't know the worth of your properties, then listen to these estate agents. But if you know the worth of your properties and you've seen it, you've seen what people are willing to pay, why not put your price at that? Why not put your price at that? So guys, I just wanted to share that because I feel like this is just so super important, because there were so many people on social media, on certain pages, that were just saying total opposites, thinking I'm crazy. Oh, here she goes with her numbers again. You can't do that, blah, 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 blah. Give it a break. Give it a break. Like, who's doing it, me or you? Who's doing it, me or you? Do you know what I mean? That's why sometimes you just gotta let people talk to themselves. The people that are talking, they're not even doing it, or they're not even trying at all. They're just thinking, yeah, nah. These times they're sleeping on themselves, because there's so much opportunity outside in Midlands, Liverpool, Nottingham, all of these places, so much opportunity. So what I'm just trying to say is, don't listen to social media with people that don't know what they're talking about, but listen to the people who are actually doing it. All right, perfect. So guys, thank you so much for watching today. Before we end, I want you to add me on Instagram, it's Oniru, and also subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 PM when I post. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.